Are you ready to discover the remarkable power of onions and experience a new level of well-being? 8 reasons to eat an onion daily. 1. Immune powerhouse. Onions are packed with vitamin C and antioxidants to fight off illness. 2. Anti-inflammatory. Reduce inflammation and aches with onions' quercetin content. 3. Heart helper. Onions may lower bad cholesterol and improve heart health. 4. Digestive aid. Prebiotics in onions promote gut health and digestion. 5. Blood sugar balance. Onions can help regulate blood sugar levels. 6. Detox delight. Onions may support your body's natural detoxification process. 7. Bone strength. Onions contain silicon, which contributes to bone health. 8. Cancer prevention. Studies suggest onions may play a role in cancer prevention.